Hey there, I'm Kate. Welcome back to the Your Lessons Now YouTube channel. I'm one of the instructors at Your Lessons Now. I teach singing, voice masculinization, voice feminization, and androgynous voice as well, which is what we're talking about in today's video. One of the coolest parts about teaching androgynous voice is that we work together to really customize a voice that fits right for you. So we're going to be highlighting some of our greatest hits in our company's voice training to help with masculine androgynous voice today. Stick around for a second video, which will be leaning more into a feminine androgynous voice. If you're not sure which way you might want to try, watch both videos and pick some of your favorite parts from each. This is what makes androgynous voice training so great. It's really a choose your own adventure. This video is for humans looking to develop a more masculine androgynous voice. So if that's what you're looking for, stick around. First thing, we're gonna start off with our trusty Darth Vader breath. Click the link in the description to hear more about that if you're not familiar with it. Maybe go back a couple videos and double check that you've got that under your belt. Plus breathing, that's really important. If you haven't watched our video about breathing, I highly recommend you go back and check out those videos first before starting this one. Now, quick review. Drop jaw, lips out. Breathing in and out like this. What we're trying to do is drop that voice box down lower. Now, one of the characteristics we look for in a masculine speaking voice is a dropped vowel, and that's what we're talking about today. So, Darth Vader breath in. Belly's engaged. Perfect. Now, I want you to just go through the vowels the way that you learned them, maybe in school. A, E, I, O, U. Now, what's really important is we want to make sure they're nice and short and that they're dropping instead of as opposed to a spread vowel, A, E, I, O, U. We want a really dropped and short vowel that feels like it's resonating right here in our chest, rather than maybe up here in our face. So, it might sound something like this. A, E, I, O, U. Now, make sure you've got that Darth Vader breath in first. A, E, I, O, U. Hear the difference? Nice. Now let's add a note to that. Darth Vader breath in. A, E, I, O, U. And we're gonna go down. Do it with me. A, E, I, O, U. And down. A, E, I, O, U. And down. A, E, I, O, U. One last one. Just kidding. That's the last one right here. Let's do one last one right here. A, E, I, O, U. And you'll notice that my lips are still sticking out while I'm working on this. That really helps to lower down our voice box and get that sound we're looking for. Now let's add an to the beginning of each vowel. May, me, my, mo, moo. May, me, my, mo, moo. Oh, may, me, my, mo, moo. Good. And if you start feeling your voice box start to creep up again, take another Darth Vader breath in. Let's try it on L. Lay, li, lie, low, low. And down. Lay, li, lie, low, low. And down. Lay, li, lie, low, low. Nice job. And after a while, it'll start to feel more natural to speak down with those vowels. Starting to feel where you think and place those vowels can really start the process of changing your voice in a safe and healthy way, which is our number one priority here. I also want to say that these are muscles, like the ones you use at the gym or when you exercise. Treat them as you would as if you were exercising. Don't try to lift 300 pounds in one day. Take it one day at a time and take breaks when you feel like you need to. If you're experiencing any pain though, consider reaching out to a medical professional. If you would ever like help in your voice-changing endeavors, you can book me or any of my other amazing colleagues at yourlessonsnow.com. If you would ever like help with your voice-changing endeavors, you can book me or any of my other amazing colleagues at yourlessonsnow.com. You can also check out our Patreon, which is linked down below. Make sure that you gently tap that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.